In this video, we're diving into how to set up AI-powered ad tracking with Hyros to boost your return on ad spend. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions and learn about AI in the process and how it can help you take your business to the next level. Now, if you've ever poured money into ads and wondered why some campaigns take off while others just flop, this guide's for you. The problem with traditional tracking: gaps in attribution. All right, let's start by talking about why tracking is hard. Most advertising platforms give you basic numbers: views, clicks, conversions, but those numbers don't always tell you which channels or campaigns actually lead to revenue. Cross-channel complexity. Digital marketing also spans multiple channels. E-commerce shops run search ads, social campaigns, email flows, and SMS sequences. Subscription businesses offer free trials and demos before converting. Service businesses rely on phone calls and consultations. When data is scattered across platforms, it becomes nearly impossible to see how each touch point contributes to the outcome. That's why marketers often have to rely on intuition instead of facts. The cost of guessing. Guessing can be expensive. Without a precise attribution model, you might keep pouring money into campaigns that just simply don't work. You could also miss out on scaling channels that quietly deliver high-value customers. Now, in an era where ad costs are rising and competition is fierce, you need to know exactly where to invest your marketing budget. What makes Hyros different? So Hyros approaches tracking differently. Instead of relying on simple last click or first click models, it uses multi-touch attribution to track the entire customer journey. That means every email click, phone call, ad click, and form submission is connected to the same user. Now, here's why this matters. Multi-touch attribution. Multi-touch attribution gives credit to each interaction that a customer has with your brand. It recognizes that people rarely buy after a single click. Hyros records every touch point and uses AI to assign a value to each step, so you can see which ads contribute early interest, which nurture leads, and which drive final purchases. This helps you find the true combination of channels that move people through your funnel. Real-time tracking. Hyros tracks events in real time. The moment someone interacts with your business, whether they book a call or purchase a product, Hyros logs it and associates it with previous interactions. You don't have to wait days or weeks for reports to update, which means you can make decisions faster. Real-time insights also help you react quickly when something isn't performing, instead of wasting budget for weeks. Offline and online data integration. Many businesses rely on both online and offline events. A potential buyer might click a social ad, then schedule a phone call, and then purchase on the call. Hyros integrates calls, emails, CRM data, and website events so that offline actions like sales calls are tied back to the ads and emails that sparked interest. This is crucial for businesses selling high-ticket products or services where conversations happen offline. Customizable dashboard and AI insights. Hyros gives you a customizable dashboard with drag and drop widgets. You can track the metrics that matter to you, whether that's first touch conversions, recurring subscription revenue, or cost per qualified call. On top of that, Hyros uses AI to spot patterns in your data and suggest ways to improve your campaigns. You don't need to be a data scientist to interpret the results. The platform presents them in plain language. Step 1, getting started with Hyros. So if you want to get started with Hyros, we've actually got a link for you down in the description below where you can get started with a free demo. Just click on that link down below in the description, which will bring you to this page right here. All you need to do is click on Get Started below to get started. Choosing the right plan. So Hyros offers different plans based on your business model and your ad spend. They typically start with an entry tier designed for organic tracking and scale up to paid traffic and agency plans. So if you go ahead and click on the pricing page, it'll bring you right here and go ahead and take a look at their different options. So they've got business pricing, Shopify pricing, and agency pricing. So here under the business pricing, you can track monthly revenue up to $20K, which starts at $240 per month with an annual plan. $40K, which is $353 per month. $83K, which is $583 per month. And a few more options here at $250K for $999, $750K at $1499, and $1 million is custom. Now for Shopify pricing, it's a little bit less than that. I'll go and just click through here so you can go ahead and see the difference here. I guess once it gets a little higher, it's the same, but you can start maybe a little bit lower. Yeah. So take a moment to consider how many channels you use and how many customers you have so you can select a plan that fits your needs. If you run high budget campaigns or manage multiple clients, then you may want a plan that supports more data points and advanced integrations. Creating an account. Once you've chosen your plan, just select it and sign up. The process is super simple. Just enter your email address, set a password, and verify your account. Hyros might ask for some business details so they can configure your dashboard properly. After that, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Onboarding and support. During onboarding, Hyros provides guides and support to help you set up. You can schedule a call with a customer success representative who will walk you through the main features. They'll explain how to install tracking code, integrate with ad platforms, and connect your phone systems. Step 2, integrating your ad platforms. Connecting Google Ads. So to track campaigns from Google Ads, we'll go to the integration section of your Hyros dashboard and select Google Ads. You'll be prompted to log in to your Google account and grant Hyros permission to access your campaigns. Now, once you're connected, Hyros will start pulling data from your Google Ads account. It'll match each click with the user's journey across other channels and assign value based on conversions. Connecting Meta, Facebook, and Instagram. Next, connect your Meta advertising accounts. The process is very similar. Choose Facebook ads in the integrations list, log in through the pop-up window, and give Hyros access. The platform will import data from your active campaigns, ad sets, and ads. You can also choose whether Hyros should track pixel events, offline conversions, or both. If you run ads on Instagram through the same Facebook Ads Manager, those will be tracked automatically. Adding other channels. If you advertise on additional platforms such as TikTok, LinkedIn, or X, then Hyros offers integrations for those as well. Follow the same steps. Select the platform from the integration menu, log in, and authorize. Now, while each platform has its own quirks, Hyros aims to make the connection process consistent and straightforward. Step 3, setting up tracking on your website, installing tracking code. So to capture data from your website, you'll need to install a tracking script. Hyros provides a small snippet of JavaScript that you just paste into the header of your site. If you use a site builder like Shopify, WordPress, or ClickFunnels, then Hyros offers step-by-step guides on where to paste the code. The script listens for page views, link clicks, form submissions, and purchases. Tracking forms and clicks. Beyond general page views, you can set up event tracking for specific actions. For instance, you may want to track when someone fills out a contact form, downloads a white paper, or clicks a scheduling link. In Hyros, you can create custom events for each of these actions. You assign a name to the event, such as book demo or download guide, and then map it to the corresponding button or form on your site using the Hyros code. Now, whenever a user triggers that event, Hyros logs it and associates it with their journey. Integrating e-commerce platforms. If you run an online store, connect your e-commerce platforms to Hyros. For Shopify and WooCommerce, there are dedicated integrations that pull over data, including product names, order values, and customer details. This allows Hyros to attribute revenue accurately across channels. You'll also be able to see metrics like average order value and lifetime value directly in your Hyros dashboard. Step 4, tracking phone calls and emails. Call tracking. Many businesses rely on phone calls to close deals. Hyros offers call tracking that goes beyond basic call recordings. You can provision unique phone numbers for different campaigns or ad sets. When someone calls a number, Hyros records the call, transcribes it using AI, and ties it back to the ad or email that prompted the call. You'll know which keywords drive calls and which calls lead to sales. If you already use a call tracking provider, Hyros can often integrate with it to import call data. Email tracking. Hyros also tracks emails. If you send newsletters or automated sequences, you can connect your email marketing platform, such as MailChimp, Klaviyo, or ConvertKit, to Hyros. The integration adds tracking pixels and links to your email so that when someone clicks, Hyros records the event. It then connects the click back to the broader customer journey. This is particularly useful for multi-step funnels. You'll see whether a welcome email or a follow-up sequence drives conversions and can adjust accordingly. Now, who should use Hyros? So Hyros is ideal for businesses that rely heavily on paid advertising and have complex sales funnels. You sell high-ticket products or services that require multiple touch points, like webinars, free trials, or phone consultations. Hyros will help you see which steps drive revenue. Agencies managing multiple client accounts can also benefit from Hyros because it aggregates data and simplifies reporting. Now, on the other hand, small businesses with simple funnels may not need the depth that Hyros offers, and you might opt for lighter analytics analytics tools. So running ads without precise tracking is like driving in the dark. You may be moving forward, but you don't know if you're on the right road or on the road at all. Hyros turns on the lights. It gives you a clear view of every interaction, every email click, every phone call, and how they connect to your sales. With multi-touch attribution, real-time insights, and AI-driven recommendations, you can stop guessing and start scaling with confidence. So if you're ready to stop leaving money on the table and see which ads truly drive your revenue, then Hyros may be the tool that transforms your marketing strategy. You'll find the link for Hyros down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission if you use it at no extra cost to you. Supporting the channel this way really helps us to continue to create practical, beginner-friendly content to help you learn and leverage AI. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here in the AI Academy, we make videos that break down artificial intelligence tools, workflows, and strategies to help you stay ahead of the curve, whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or just curious about what AI can do. But other than that, thanks again for watching. We'll see you here in the next one.